Hello everyone. Today we will learn which type of references we have to follow for XPS peak fitting. Okay. For example, this is a XPS spectrum of copper. Okay. In this case, we don't know copper is +1, 0 or +2 oxidation state. We don't know. So for this, we have to idea about the which type of reference we have to follow. Okay, so first we have to deconvolute this type of spectra using the different software like XPS peak fit software, Advantage software, and there is a CASA uh, software. Okay, so Advantage and CASA XPS is a licensed software, but XPS peak fit software is a free software. So I already made a video on this, how to deconvert the XPS peak using XPS peak fit 41 software. Okay, now today we will learn which type of references we have to follow. Okay, which books and which Google site we have to use for XPS fitting. Okay, so first there is a one. This is a xpsdatabase.net where we get the XPS spectrum for all the element. Like we had to know about the copper. Okay, so search in Google xpsdatabase.net, click on copper. Okay, now you get the all the information about the copper. Okay, this is for copper 0, also for copper 0. This is CEO for copper +2. They also deconvolute the pattern. So you can visit this site and you can check, like they show for copper 0, copper +1 and copper +2. What is the different spectra of these three? Okay, so this is for copper 0, this is for copper +1, sorry, this is for copper +1 and this is for copper +2. So for XPS fitting, you can visit this site. And second online source is thermofisher.com. Okay, I'll provide all the link in description box so you can find there. Okay, similarly, click here on copper. Okay, you get the idea. For metallic copper we get peak around 933 electron volt. For copper +1 we get 933 electron volt, and copper +2 we get peak around 933.5. Can check here the spectra. This is for metallic copper, this is for copper +1, and this is for copper +2. You can see here the difference. What is the main difference? There is weak satellite peak. In case of copper or metallic copper, there is no satellite or weak satellite peak, while in case of copper +2 there is a strong satellite peak. So for XPS fitting, always review the literature. First review the literature, review the some books and some Google site, and then fit your XPS data. Okay, similarly you can check for other elements, and this is another site. xpslibrary.com, but this is a, I think this is a paid site. This is not a free. Okay, so there are some books, you can follow those books. Handbook of X-ray Photoelectron Spectroscopy. You can follow this book. So you for copper, XPS of copper. This is so beryllium. Magnesium. Cobalt, nickel, and copper. Okay. They give a specific range. What is the range for copper? What is the range for copper sulfide? What is the range for copper oxide? So you can also follow this book, and also follow this book. This one. I'll also provide the Google Drive link for these books and some reference papers. It is copper. Potassium. Vanadium. Copper. Nickel. Okay. This book also give a range. What is the range for copper, copper sulfide, copper? For copper +1, for copper +2, you can also follow this type of book, this book. And there are some reference paper, some papers you can follow. If you are using the Avantis software, you can follow this guideline. And if you are using CASA XPS, so you can use this handbook, how to fit the XPS spectra. Okay, there is one paper. I'll provide the Google Drive link for these books. Okay, this paper. So you can also follow this paper. You can note the DI number. Also, I will also provide the link for this paper. Okay. This one is a very good site. You can follow this one. Okay, thank you.